todo el rato tormenta. Y así que no tragan las cloacas. Mira qué pedazo de granizo.
Thick hail blankets the streets of Piedrabuena in Castile-La Mancha, Spain today. The usually sunny central region of Piedrabuena, Spain, has been hit by rain and hail, leaving the streets whitewashed. Spain has kicked off May with heavy rain as a strong Atlantic front has hit the country, bringing heavy rain, hail, and cooler temperatures. The state meteorological agency, AMET, has issued an orange warning for severe storms, strong winds, and hail in the central and eastern regions of the peninsula. This includes Aragón, Castile-La Mancha, and the Valencian community. In Ciudad, towns were blanketed in a thick layer of hail after a powerful morning storm. In much of the country, a yellow warning is in place, including in Madrid, Andalusia, Catalonia, Galicia, and the Balearic Islands for heavy rain and thunderstorms. Despite the dramatic weather, AMET insisted that there was no unusual meteorological phenomenon. In southern Galicia, thunderstorms lit up the skies overnight, signaling more unpredictable weather to come. Temperatures have also dropped, with most regions unlikely to exceed 30 degrees Celsius, except in parts of Murcia. On Sunday, rain is expected almost everywhere, with heavy rain likely in the north. The weather follows Storm Nuria, the 14th high-impact storm to be named this season. In early April, a red alert was issued for the Canary Islands, particularly Tenerife and La Palma, due to hurricane-force winds. Schools in Tenerife, La Palma, and La Graciosa were closed in anticipation of the storm. The Canary Islands, generally known for their sunny weather and average temperatures of around 18 degrees Celsius, are experiencing extreme conditions. Britons were advised to avoid the islands for midnight on April 3 due to the severe weather. In late March, the Costa del Sol region was also hit by hail and heavy rain, particularly in El Torrent El Grande, where roads were covered in ice and water. March 2025 was recorded as Spain's second wettest March since 1943, with severe weather events affecting much of the country. Meanwhile, Valencia was hit by deadly flash floods in October, which claimed the lives of 219 people.
Y todo el rato tormenta. Y así que no tragan las cloacas.